loves, welcome back to my channel. This is Gladys here and I'm super excited that you're all back for a new video. Guys, this video is going to be decorating with me for my kitchen for summer. I know. I want to bring some pop of colors here and there, but I'm very much of a neutral girl. Apart from my blue, my navy blue, I'm known for that. That is actually behind me. But in my kitchen, I don't have much color. It brings me peace, brings me zen. So, if you're interested, what I'm going to do, stay tuned, guys.
Thinking of drowning in those blue eyes. I'm losing sight cause I am falling.
Thanks guys for watching the entire video. I truly appreciate you coming over my channel. If this is the very first time you are seeing any of my videos, my name is Gladys. I'm the mama of 3 little people. I'm also married to my husband for like 10 years. I stopped counting after 8. But yeah, I would truly appreciate if you click on that subscribe button and notification bell so that you don't miss any of the videos coming your way. Don't forget to click on the like button for this video. But yeah, thank you so much guys for watching. God bless you all. Bye guys.